Okay, today we're going to talk about investing with Robinhood. We're going to talk about NEO, AMC, GameStop, and what it all means. But before we get into it, if you guys are interested in investing in the stock market, I'm jumping on the bandwagon, and I'll leave a link in the top of the description below and the pinned comment. If you sign up and set up an account, you'll get your free stock, like an absolutely free stock. When I signed up for Robinhood, the first free stock that I got was this one here, was Clovis Oncology. It's up. If you see when I got it back in December, I think it was January 7th about when I got it. So if you go in here and you look at it, you can see that I've already made $8 on it. The crazy thing is when I first got it, it was only like $3. So it's $8 up, and that just goes to show that that's a free stock from Robinhood, guys. Here's my overall, let's check out my overall portfolio here. And we're up 8%, which we're up $44 since we first started. Thank you, thank you. Not bad for a guy who has absolutely no idea what he's doing. So I started out with Robinhood because I used my friend's link. You know, obviously he got a free stock and I got a free stock. And I just wanted to kind of get in and kind of play around and see what's going on. You know, all this stuff I hear, I see it on YouTube. I see people making hundreds of thousands of dollars, literally. And since I've been talking about it since about April or May, I've been telling my friends and really selling my friends on doing it, and they've all made probably over $10,000. I know my sister-in-law has made about $5 grand just today on GameStop and AMC. So, unfortunately me, I haven't made that kind of money yet. Most of my picks, I'm really basing off of a couple YouTubers. But those guys kind of turn me on to certain tickers, and then I kind of dive in and figure out what to do from there. Based on watching those guys kind of trade and kind of taking their advice little by little, this is my portfolio here. So I have Clovis Oncology, which is a cancer research place, and it's actually near me, so that's kind of cool that it was my free stock and that it's actually ran up a whole bunch. So NEO has been down 6%, which is okay because it's a great opportunity to buy more because I believe in NEO. I think it's going places. So I just bought more shares today. Actually, I have, it says 3 shares here, but I have a couple more shares over on Cash App, which I'll get into that a little bit later. Moderna is a vaccination place, and that's up pretty well, doing pretty well for me as well. And here, let me change it over so we can kind of see how much I've actually made on each of them. So I changed it over. So my free one, I made $8.26. NEO, we've actually lost $2.71, but that's okay. It's gonna go back up. I feel like it's gonna go back up. Moderna is my solid winner right now at $13 profit. And Moderna is a vaccine company. Bio-Nano Genomics, I'm up $10 on that, which is great. Nano Dimensions, $5. And I'll talk about later what these are all about. Right now, this video, I've been wanting to make this video for a while, so I'm just kind of breaking the ice right now. I'm not sure how to format these videos exactly just yet to keep them entertaining, but I'm gonna try to keep it quick, short, and to the point. So IsoRay is a new technology where they're claiming they can cure blindness, essentially. SpaceX, I had to, guys. I had to invest into space, and this is a Virgin Galactic space program, so hey, it was a good choice, right? Not just a random pick off a pure like gut instinct, right? Things I've heard on podcasts. Sundial is a pot stock that I invested in. It's a Canadian grower that focuses on rolls, pre-rolls, and vape concentrates. So I'm up $14, so it looks like that's my solid winner as of right now. Hey, let's go. And what else we got here? So Ocugen is another company, or maybe Ocugen is the one that cures blindness, but they're not doing so hot for me right now. Vine was an impulse buy that I took a signal from somebody and I bought in. It tanked, I got scared, I got out, but I didn't sell all my shares, so I still have like 50 cents in there. GameStop, obviously I jumped on the hype because I'd hate to be the guy that didn't buy at 300 and it jumps up to 800 or 1,000 or whatever, you know what I mean? And I only put in 50 bucks, so we're not breaking the bank on that one. Wolf is a Petco. It's a health and wellness brand. It's like a private label for the company, and the guy who owns Chewy invested in it, so I decided why not put some in there, because I think like the pet sector or whatever is probably a good bet to put some money in. And I don't have a lot. I got one share. I think it's like maybe 50 bucks. Now, Dave & Buster's is a play that I made today based on what happened with AMC and GameStop. I was looking at the volume, and the volume was a lot higher today than normal. About 2.5 times, almost 3 times higher. So I don't know what that means exactly, but I had a good gut feeling, and I've been telling myself lately, there's been several times where I haven't like took my gut instinct with what I had with AMC. It was like, you know, everything's gonna open up, the movie theater obviously is gonna do better, and I like talked myself out of it for whatever reason. And those are the things I wanted to talk to you guys about, is like, if you feel something, just go ahead and do it, you know. And I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, but for me, this is learning from my own mistakes. And another thing I want to address is, once you buy into something, it is so hard to sell, because when it's high, it's like, I guess, a little bit of greed. What if it goes higher? I don't want to sell if it could potentially go higher, right? But then when it's low, it's like, well, I don't want to lose money. I want to wait till it get back, you know. So some weird psychological things going on there, but I've learned to just hang on, because I'm really not trying to earn money, like do the day trading thing. Is, however, I would like to get into that a little bit, like the swing trading. If you're trying to do like day trades and you're trying to do like penny stocks, like buying hundreds of penny stocks, maybe you need to go over Fidelity. But if you're trying to do with me, just kind of get started to learn, Robinhood is great, because even Weeble's a little confusing to get started. Cash App and Weeble make it really easy. So I keep all my see, look how much it fluctuates in one day, guys. Insane. But today, luckily, I had a breakout, and it was sundial. It's up 36% in after hours. So just like that, you know, I mean, as of 7 o'clock, 7:45 this morning, it was at 51 cents, and right now it's trading at almost 90 cents, which is amazing. And I'm holding this. I'm never gonna sell this one, because I'm committed at this point, right? So we're hanging on sundial pot stock. I think Biden's gonna lift it federally, you know, with all the junk that's going on. So hopefully that's our bet. And there's so many pot stocks to pick from. I just grabbed this one out of nowhere, and I'm hanging on to it. It was just a gut instinct. So I'm gonna take you guys over to Cash App so we can see what's going on with my Bitcoin. So we're over here on Cash App, and this is where I started doing my Bitcoin, because once again, I was a little reluctant at first to get started. But I think a couple days after Christmas, I decided, sitting on the couch watching the news, I'm like, I gotta do it. It was about 26,000 when I bought in, and we bought in, I'll go down to my activity here, and it looks like $425 is what I started with. But I didn't buy it all at once, which I wish I did, because I probably wouldn't be down right now. So December 27th, I bought 20, and then I had to move some money, so I bought 25 more, and I was like, what am I doing? I need to just buy a significant amount to really do this, right? And I was like, I'll document it on YouTube and everything. So I bought $100, and then January 1st, I bought more. A couple days later, I bought more. A couple days later, I bought more. So anyways, $425 total in to Bitcoin, and we have $395. It's down 7% today, but I believe in it. I'm gonna hang on to it. And we have a few dollars in Ethereum, but it's nothing to really look at. And then we have a little bit going on over on our Weeble account. But Weeble, I'm kind of doing an experiment with Weeble. I'm taking certain plays from some of my YouTuber guys and just playing those plays.
No! No! No!
So Nokia today was kind of on a hunch. I picked it, and it did really well for a minute, but then it tanked back down. So we're actually down 1% on that. CCIV is a Churchill. I'm waiting for the merger. Tomorrow I'm gonna put some more money down on it, and Friday I'll probably put some more money down on it and hold over the weekend and see what happens, or I might just get completely out. That's also another EV play, electric vehicle play. They're supposed to merge with another company called Lucid. So, and Senseonics is, I think, is a battery manufacturer, or a I'm not sure. I just picked it. Like I said, I'm getting these plays from YouTube, which is probably not the best, but so far they haven't really done me wrong. I mean, we're looking pretty solid with most of the picks. So far, you know, if I go out and we look at my total portfolio, which is all individual stocks, I don't have any ETFs, which I do need to balance it out. So that's kind of why I want to start documenting, to kind of learn as I learn, and I can learn more. And maybe some of you guys out there that are watching this can kind of give me some advice on what to do. I've been looking into Reddit, but it's so weird because there's a lot of bots, I guess. So we're learning, guys, we're learning. But overall, hey, we're up $44. That's more than my bank would have paid me to have this kind of money sit in my savings account, so that's not bad. So a quick reminder, if you guys are looking into signing up with Robinhood or Webull, I'll leave the links down below. If you do sign up with those, you get free stocks, I get free stocks, everybody wins. And I'll check in with you guys in a couple of days and let you know how everything else is going. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, if you want to or don't, I don't know. But hey, thanks for kicking it with me, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.